Ryan, happy Tuesday. And you know what that means. We are bringing another awesome tip to our audience today. And we get a lot of questions about how do we start building our real estate investment portfolio? So what's the process to get started with that?
Yeah, as a realtor, Dana, and a lender myself, we don't want to just help you purchase a home. We want to help you build wealth. And one of the best ways of doing that is through real estate. Did you know that 40% on average of millionaires of their assets come from real estate? So what holds a lot of people back, though, from investing is the down payment requirement. So if you're just straight buying an investment property that you don't plan on living in, you need about 15 to 20% down. And unfortunately, the rates are a lot higher on investments. But there's a much easier way to build that investment portfolio and much less down and doing much better interest rates. So I'll just use an example about how to do this. First-time home buyers, you could purchase a home for as little as 3% down on an owner-occupied home. And when you buy an owner-occupied home, you're really committing to living in that property for 1 year. Now, after that year passes, you can purchase another owner-occupied home, but this time the down payment requirement is 5%, still a lot lower than that 15 and 20 that we mentioned. So what you can do also, you could get a lease on that first house that you bought that you're now vacating. And so the rental income, you could use 75% of that to offset your mortgage when you're buying another house. So this makes qualifying for a new home that much easier. And you know what? After a year in that second home as well, you could do this all over again. You could rent that second house out. You still have that first one being rented, and you could buy a third owner occupied with that 5% down and then repeat. So you could see, using this method, you could really quickly build up those rental properties for a lot less down and a much better interest rate as well. So it's a great tool. It's a great technique if you're okay living in a house just for a year to really start setting up that investment portfolio.
Wow, Ryan, that is awesome information. And let us help you build your wealth, you guys. So any questions, reach out to Ryan or I. We always put our contact information in the show notes, and we will see you next week. Thank you, Ryan.
Thanks, everyone.
Have a good one.